Hey guys, welcome back to Skillsofter. Today I'm going to show you how you can record your screen in Canva for free. Besides, you can also just record your screen in general using Canva. Alright, for step 1, I want you to go to this link, make sure it's the right one, canva.com/screen-recorder. Alright, as you can see, it's a free online screen recorder. You can record it for your presentation, demo, or explain a video on Canva. And at the same time, you can record your talking head, which means that you can also have a face cam. And again, it works just like a normal screen recorder, and you can add that recorded video into your design. How cool is that? Alright, so once you're here, you can hit on start recording. It will open a canvas for you specifically for video editing, and as you can see on your left there is an option to record yourself. So what you can do is click record yourself. There are 3 different options here, like generated AI voice, record voiceover, record talking head. So let's say you want to record your voiceover. You can head over here and click record voiceover, and you can see at the bottom here, if your mic is working, there is an equalizer right here. So when I talk, you can see it's showing this blue gradient color right here, and if I stop talking, it's just nothing. On the left here, you can see there's a choose microphone option or the microphone setting. Here you can see there are different microphones that are connected to your desktop, and I recommend you to go for default, therefore you don't make any mistake, because usually the default version works best, right? So once you're ready, you just hit record, and there'll be a countdown from 3, 2, 1, and there you go. So as you are recording your voiceover, there's an option to pause, and if you're ready, you can hit resume. It will give you another countdown, and there you go. However, it will create another layer, so just to keep in mind, and once you're done, you can just hit finish, and it will start uploading to your file, and there you go. This is your voiceover. So let's take a listen, and there you go. However, it will create another layer, so just Alright, so now if you want to record a talking head, or in another terms like a face cam, you can just head over to upload once more and click record a talking head, and it will open this whole new set of setup. And as you can see, your microphone is already being used by another application, which is OBS, and that is because I'm recording this video using OBS, so you don't have to worry about this. Alright, so from here you can see there's a setting, and from here you can access your camera. You will have your talking head as a circle. That's how it would work. However, because I'm recording right now, it wouldn't show up. And there's another option right here, which is camera and screen. So if you were to record your face cam, your talking head, and your screen, you can choose camera and screen option, where you can record your window or entire screen or your browser tab. For example, let's choose the Skillsofter YouTube channel tab that is open currently, and you can see there's a preview on your right. You hit share, and there you go. You can see there's a red bar, a red frame around it, and this is when you know it is screen sharing, right? If you don't want to screen share, you can click stop sharing on the top left above here. And let's say if you lost the Canva recorder, you can just hit view tab canva.com right here, and it will take you back to your screen recorder. And let's say if you want screen, again, there's an option for it, screen only. Again, because I am recording using OBS right now, I am unable to access the talking head, which is the face cam. Alright, again, once you're done, click stop sharing. It will stop sharing. And if you're ready, you can just hit record on the bottom right here. And when you're done, you can just stop recording. Besides, either on your left hand side or your right hand side, there's a notes option. So here you can add on your notes if you were to, for example, present or do an interview. You can prepare yourself with answers, you can type it down if you want. Awesome. Once you're done and stop recording, there's an option for you to download the video, or you can immediately upload it into your Canva. Alright, cool. So let's say if you were to use a template, yes, it still works as a template. So again, for example, if we were to choose a template, we click video, and from video we can choose an example video template. Let's say we take this video template as an example. How cool is that? Thanks for watching. And you can also find the screen recorder on the top right. Click share and head over to see all. From see all, you can see there's different option right here, and under share you can see there's a present and record, right? So click that, go to recording studio, and it will take you right back to this recording studio. It's a slightly different setup, however, again, it is still the same, right? So this time you will also have your talking head and your microphone all at the same time while presenting, right? You can also do this. Besides just video, like the thanks for watching video, you can also do for a presentation slide, okay? So there you go. Again, for your talking head or your face cam, your options will be right here. And for your microphone, always go for default. And if you have multiple microphones, sure, you can choose from there. If your microphone is working, you can see the equalizer right here, the blue color gradient at the bottom. Once you're ready, you click start recording. Give you a countdown. And there you go. This is another example of the talking head. On the bottom left, you can see there's a circle, and here you also can put your notes. You hit the edit button at the bottom right here, and here you can just simply write your notes, right? You can change the font sizes, and once you're done, just hit done. There you go. You can pause your recording or resume your recording. It will not split the layers. Once you're done, you hit end recording. It will upload your recording directly straight to your studio right here. Once you're done, you can either download again once more or save and exit. So if you hit save and exit, oh, by the way, there's an option to discard if you don't like the video, and you can try it over again. Okay, so let's hit download right here. Okay, so it's done. And once you download, let's say if you were to put this in your studio, it's actually pretty simple. You can go over to uploads. You can upload your file here. Here's my downloaded video. So I'm going to click open. So once it is uploaded, you can just click on the video right here. It is 46 seconds. Okay, so let's take a look right here. And there you go. This is another example of the talking head. Cool. The video is actually right here. As you can see, it's in the center right here as a layer. You can resize them to fit the canvas size. So let's fix that real quick. Okay. This was the layer from the template we use. We can just delete them, remove them, including this one. Hold on. Even the background here, we can just remove everything. Just clear everything and just have the video itself and increase the size. Cool. And there you go. You have the video only if you were to remove your presentation slide. Okay, let's check it out one more time without the layers bothering us. And that is how your talking head will show as. It will be on the bottom left. Cool. Works perfectly fine. You can record your presentation. However, this will not work as a screen recorder to record different tabs. Remember, there are two different options. Again, just a recap, if you want to record your screen, you can head over to uploads and hit record yourself. And under record yourself, you can record a talking head or record a voiceover. Let's say if you record a talking head, it will open a different recording setup for you guys to record your screen. And if you record your screen, you can choose. Again, this works as a normal recorder itself, a general screen recorder. But if you were to use the second option, which is to record as a presentation, you head over to share. Under share right here, you click see all, or you just navigate to present and record. This will only record your presentation. I'm gonna delete this recording real quick. Present and record, go to recording studio, and this will work as a presentation recorder. It will not allow you to record your screen in general. So I hope that makes sense. The two different recording setup, one to record the screen and one to record your presentation. So there you go. That is how you can record your screen in Canva for totally free.